Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sarah. You've made your holiday pies, and now what? You are probably looking for a whipped cream recipe to top those bad boys with, and I've got the perfect one for you. It's a family favorite, and every time I make it, everybody just rants and raves about it, and it is really good. So I'm gonna share that with you today. But before I do that, I wanna take a minute and I wanna say happy Thanksgiving to you. I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day with your friends, family, or even by yourself. We're gonna start out with some heavy whipping cream. Now, this is a quart of heavy whipping cream. I am only going to use half of this. So that would be the equivalent of a pint. I don't need a whole bunch of whipped cream. And then for 1 pint, you are going to take a 1/4 cup of sugar and add that to your mixer. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna lower that, and we are going to put this on, we're gonna start it low and slowly raise it. And we're going to mix that until we start to see that that is getting firm, and when we dip our a spatula or a spoon in there, we can form peaks with it. After about a minute or two, it will start to get frothy, and then we're going to just increase that speed to high for the remainder of the time. Okay, I shut it off just because it's so loud, but I wanted to show you this. This has been going for about 4 minutes, and this is what we want to see. So once you see that it starts to clump together like this, that is a good indication that this is close to being done. That was 1 more minute. Now, it is incredibly important that you do not overmix this. If you mix this for too long, you may find that this starts to turn to liquid again, actually. Now you're going to go ahead and stick this into your refrigerator. You want to make sure that this has time to chill. I would say at least 30 minutes before serving. And you want to make sure that it stays cool at all times so that it doesn't separate. 2 tips of mine when making this whipped cream. First, make sure that your heavy whipping cream is nice and chilled before you even start. And take your bowl and stick it in the fridge and get that all nice and cool before you start working, and that'll help your whipped cream to set up really nicely. There you have it, friends. This awesome homemade 3-ingredient whipped cream to top your beautiful pies that you made. I hope that you are having a wonderful Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments if you guys make this and what you think about it. I'd love to hear. Till next time, guys. Bye.